So here we are, about halfway through the Galaxy S25 Ultra's reign, and Samsung's already cooking up the next big thing. Yep, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is creeping into the spotlight, and the leaks, oh, they're heating up fast. Word is Samsung's going for a sleeker and lighter design this time. Sounds like a win, right? But here's the twist. They're also planning to make the screen even bigger. Wild. The S25 Ultra already pushed the limits with a 6.86-inch display, up from 6.82 on the S24 Ultra, and they pulled it off without making the phone itself any larger. It was all about squeezing down those bezels. Now rumors say the S26 Ultra might stretch to 6.89 inches. Yeah, we're only talking about a 0.03-inch bump, but when the bezels are already paper-thin, that's actually a big move. They reportedly shrink the bezel from 1.2 millimeters to around 1.15 millimeters to make it happen. Tiny numbers, but visually, you'll notice. Samsung will probably just round it up and call it a 6.9-inch screen because marketing, obviously. Funny enough, Apple's playing a similar game with the iPhone 16 Pro, trying to get those bezels even thinner while also making the display brighter and more energy efficient. Different brands, same strategy. But let's keep it real for a second. The S25 Ultra already feels like you're carrying a mini tablet. Making the screen bigger? Not exactly helping those of us who like to use a phone with one hand. The only saving grace might be Samsung softening the edges and shedding a few grams. We'll see. And while we're being honest, as good as the S25 Ultra is, it wasn't perfect. The camera upgrades were kind of meh, and the battery life didn't wow anyone. And from what we're hearing, those issues aren't exactly top of Samsung's to-do list for the S26 Ultra. This time, it's all about making the phone feel slimmer, sexier, and more high-end in the hand. So here's the question. Do you care about getting a tiny bit more screen real estate? Or would you rather see real improvements where it counts, like the camera or battery life? Let me know what you think. I'm curious. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.